Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One of the students I'm working with at the moment grew up in the Ukrainian city of Lugansk in the 1990s, and it was, as he said, a tough time to grow up in quite a tough city. As a result, he's always regarded himself as being quite streetwise. He knows how to look after himself on the streets. You know, he's nobody's fool. And yet, as he told me in class this week, a few years ago in Budapest, he stopped in the street to watch some guys playing the classic 3 cups and a ball trick. I'm sure you've seen it, where you put a ball under one cup, you move them around, and people bet money on which cup they think the ball is under. Well, despite knowing that this is usually a scam, my student somehow ended up losing €300 watching this particular event take place. After he told me, I sort of sympathised a little bit and said, well, you know, there's nothing you can do about it now. You're just going to have to put it down to experience, learn from it and move on. If you say that you put a bad experience down to experience, or you put something down to experience, you basically mean that you recognise something went wrong, and rather than feel angry or annoyed about it, you view it as a learning opportunity. So basically, you know, once you've made a mistake, you just have to put it down to experience, learn from it and move on. And again, it's something you might say to people in your life when they tell you about terrible things they did or stupid things they did. Ah, well, there's nothing you can do about it now. What's done is done. Just put it down to experience and move on. Maybe one of your kids fails an important exam and comes home angry and upset, and you have to try and calm them down and say, listen, I know you're upset about failing the exam, but you're just going to have to put it down to experience, and next time maybe do a little bit more revision. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use put it down to experience.